Hello traders and welcome to our trade update video. It's Stu Naupan here, founder of Master the Markets Elite Trades Conference and the Traders Open Day. So very quick video over here just to show on the cable position at the moment what we have at 1148 pounds over here, 982 total, 2124 running in live trades running in over here. Now, do remember this cable trade was the one that I was showing yesterday on our YouTube live and on Facebook as well, on the trade that was going actually in negative yesterday, minus 20, minus 40, and I was then talking about basically being consistent in your trading and holding on to your trades, knowing your overall plan and your cumulative net profits. That's what you can be seeing over here at the moment. We held on to it and successfully it has gone on to positive, and you can see over here that was the trade that we held on yesterday. But even though it looks like a very standard green bar over here, but on the intraday time frame, this one bar actually to make what it is what it is now, it did a sequence of events. So basically it did this and then it came back all the way down, took out that low, and then made a new low, and then after that it started to reverse, and then after that then it was hovering around here, then only in night time as such then it started to go up, and finally then it closed above its open at where it is right now, okay, at 36.70, and then today it's gone up further and it's there here at 37.08 at the last high swing point. Okay, so that's what we're seeing as of now. So you must do know what you're doing, and you must hold on to your trades according to your trading plan. I mean, this trade just went in our favor, but that doesn't mean anything. Remember, it's always the cumulative set of trades is what we are looking for. Okay, right, so I will leave you with that. So that's the overall trade right there. Aussie dollar is another one that we're looking at. We did close out one of the positions over here, and then this is the second position that is running off as of now. Okay, right, and as I've told before, those of you beginners who want to get onto this and inspired to see how you can do this for yourself, you can always look at our 5-part video series, traderstarterpack.com. And for those of you intermediates, you can look at either our Trade Like a Master video series or our live trading room video series as well. In any case, we will be happy to serve you all in any way that we can. In any way, do feel free to email us and contact us if you got any questions at all. Alright, so that's all from me for now. And as we always say, till next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.